Hello and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different, a little bit special. We're gonna be reacting to a video and recreating that recipe. We're gonna start with a video that was viral back in the day. I don't know if it currently still is, but it was viral at some point. It is the Omurice omelette. So I'm gonna do the omelette, which I'll probably be previewing on this side of the screen over here. But no, let's watch the video together first, and then we're gonna recreate exactly what it says in the video and see if it works or if it flops. Let's give it a go. All right, let's watch and see what this is. Now, if any of you know me, you know I absolutely don't like eggs at all. But I've heard this is difficult, so I want to give it a go. Oh my God, that looks nasty. But hey, Jess is gonna be trying it, so I don't care. Oh my God, that's nasty. But yes, that is the video. Does it give us ingredients? Let's have a look. Ingredients. No. I don't see ingredients here, so we're gonna have to guess a few ingredients. Right, doesn't matter. So from what I can deduce, it looks to be about 4 eggs, so we're gonna start with 4 eggs. I've got milk here, just for a little bit of richness, and salt. I'm not sure how salt is gonna affect the omelette, but I'll put a little bit of salt in there anyway. So, he made it look so easy on that video, but I'm not sure it's gonna be easy. Anyway, let's get our 4 eggs in there. For those of you you've been used to me just doing desserts, this will probably be a little bit different. But yes, these are my roots. I used to do a lot of savory stuff if you scroll back far enough on the YouTube videos. Eggs in there. I'm just gonna put a splash of milk, probably about a tablespoon, boom, for richness, and a sprinkle of salt. That'll do. And then I'm just gonna whisk that together. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Wow, his eggs looked a lot more orange. I wonder if it means our eggs are a little bit not happy eggs, or if he had a filter on. It could be one or the other. Oh, he added food. I don't think anyone would go that far. It's probably just a filter. But his eggs looked very orange, very nice. How's mine look on camera?
Hold on. Yeah, it looks yellow.
It looks yellow? Yeah. We'll probably put a filter on so it looks orange as well. I'm just gonna sift that through. Oh yes. Oh yes. Get it nice and smooth. You see all those bits? Yeah, you don't want that in your eggs, in your omelette, so just sift it out. And of course, I made some basic jasmine rice, just to, you know, stick to the triangular shape, because the egg needs to fold over the top, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna make like proper fried rice, I'm just gonna put, I don't even know how I'm gonna shape it, because I don't have that iron-shaped oval thing, so I'll probably use my hands to, you'll see. For now, let's cook these eggs and see what happens. Right, so, we want the pan nice and hot. I'm gonna use butter. Should I use butter? Butter's gonna burn at that temperature. I'll put a little bit of oil. No, that'll change the color. That one's flavored oil, you see. You don't wanna be using that. Oh no. So we're gonna use normal oil, just a sprinkle, just a little sprinkle to protect the butter, you know? Just a little bit. And I'm gonna add butter, about a tablespoon. Generous tablespoon. Get that in there. We're getting like brown butter, which is not what I wanted. So I'm gonna start now, even though we're not at tuna. Of course it was gonna burn. What am I thinking? So straight in. And the trick with this, from what I could see, is you wanna stir it. You wanna stir it quickly, because it cooks quickly. But yeah, guys, if this goes wrong, I apologize. This has officially gone wrong, guys.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, it has. Okay. 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 Okay.
I don't want to eat this.
Oh god.
Susan, I don't want to eat this.
Guys, this is horrible.
I don't want to eat
I'm not gonna lie, this is absolutely nasty. I don't know how this went viral. I don't know who's eating this. No way.
That's okay.
No way. Guys, what do you think? You think that's a pass? You think that's a passing grade? First attempt. There's not gonna be a second attempt. This is horrible. Let me turn this off. This is like my nightmare. I don't know why. Let me put this aside. And you know what I did? I didn't even get my my rice ready. So this is all for nothing. It's gonna keep cooking on that pan. Oh god. Okay, so right now it's a disaster. My rice my rice is not ready. My eggs are getting hard. I'm gonna try and shape this into a triangle using my gloves. Look at that. Innovation at its finest. And then let's have you rest beautifully on there. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Ew. Ew.
and then of course your sharp knife, and then you cut. No, this is not a sharp knife. Let's get a proper sharp knife. And then you cut. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Mm-hmm. Oh yes. You like that, guys? Holy moly. Oh. I don't even know where to start with this.
Try it.
Oh, hell no.
Try it.
Ah, hell no.
Try it. Try it.
To be fair,
Try
this
it.
is more cooked than the viral videos, but it still looks, nah. Yeah, my principle is try everything at least once, guys. Those who know me, you know I cannot stand eggs. I just cannot stand eggs. I hate the texture. I hate it. On the other note, look how perfectly cooked my rice is. I don't want to brag, but damn. Itadakimasu. That's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. I think people who eat eggs, not me, will actually like this. That milk was a good addition. Let me, I'm not lying, hold on.
Can you take another bite?
You.
No, I'm sick. I don't want that big of a bite. No, I don't want that much rice. Let me get my own bite. I'm not.
It's actually quite nice, you know. It's creamy. It's creamy. It's not bad. But yeah, mine is obviously overcooked. Imagine that a little bit under and wet. It tastes like milk. I think maybe I put too much milk in there.
Well, I guess you can have this for dinner then, if it's not that bad.
What do you think? You think it's that bad?
Gabriel, I'm not. Listen, I'll eat eggs, but I'm not an egg person.
Hey, look, I'm finishing the bite.
Uh-huh.
I think that says a lot.
Yeah.
I don't eat eggs. I hate them. Makes me throw up. But yeah. Usually I do a second attempt just to get it right, but I'm not doing that. Just gonna waste food. Don't like doing that. But yeah, guys, just a bit of fun. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to see more of these types of videos. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.